Let me tell you this. Boosting is for beginners. That's right, I said it. Boosting is for beginners. Here's the thing. There's so much more control over the ad, over how you target people, over the creative, over everything about your Facebook advertising when you go into the Ads Manager and you utilize that tool. Don't just hit the boost button, because here's the thing, not everybody within 10 miles of your city wants your stuff. But if you go in the Ads Manager and create a custom audience and create a targeted audience, create an ad that speaks to them, that's where the money is. That's where the return on your investment is. So I want to encourage you not to just boost a post. It's okay, but boosting is for beginners. Take the next step, get into the Ads Manager, learn that, and start kicking butt and taking names. All right? I'll talk to you later.